1. Fill your kettle with equal parts white vinegar and water. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which gently breaks down limescale and other mineral deposits in your electric kettle. Just fill your kettle to the max line with equal parts white distilled vinegar and water. 2. Boil the vinegar and water solution in the kettle. To soften and remove the limescale buildup inside your kettle, turn it on with the vinegar and water solution inside. Then, wait for the mixture to come to a boil. 3. Let the vinegar solution sit for 20 minutes to 1 hour. Turn off the kettle and unplug it when the vinegar solution is boiling. Then, simply let the solution sit inside the kettle for about 20 minutes to 1 hour to help soften the mineral deposits further. 4. Pour out the vinegar solution and rinse the inside with water. Carefully drain the vinegar and water mixture out of the kettle, as it might be hot. Then, fill your kettle with water and pour it out 1 to 2 times to remove the vinegar smell and any leftover bits of limescale. 5. Scrub the inside with a soft sponge if there's any remaining scaling. Inspect your kettle to see if any stubborn mineral deposits are still inside. If you see any, dampen a soft, non-metallic sponge or microfiber cloth and scrub the inside of the kettle. Then, simply rinse your kettle out with water 1 to 2 times.